Hey, it's Malachi Greb, CEO and founder of Elite Automation. As an expert in industrial automation, I lead teams that designs, programs, and installs robotic systems for manufacturers, including welding cells, material handling, vision systems, and full automation projects. Today, I am diving into how AI, including tools like Palantir, can collect all manufacturing data and truly convert an entire factory into an AI-driven data collection and optimization machine. The angle here is clear. Every manufacturer needs to become AI-based, complete with their own data centers or strategic data center partnerships to stay competitive in 2026 and beyond. First, let's talk about data collection. AI systems like Palantir's Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP, start by aggregating data from every corner of the factory. This includes real-time sensor data from machines and equipment, using protocols like MQTT to monitor parameters such as temperature, vibration, and cycle times. Palantir also syncs with manufacturing execution systems and databases through JDBC connectors and change data capture techniques, ensuring all production data flows in seamlessly. Even unstructured data like PLC logic, engineering schematics, and welding procedures gets ingested and structured for analysis. This comprehensive collection turns siloed data into a unified source of truth, enabling AI to spot patterns that humans might miss. For optimization, AI processes this data to predict maintenance needs, optimize inventory, and even automate decision-making in real time. For example, Palantir Foundry integrates sensor data with inventory levels and supply chain info to simulate scenarios and improve yield by analyzing raw material quality from different suppliers. This can boost output by 30% or more in some cases, reducing downtime and waste. But here's the key. To make this work at scale, manufacturers can't rely on cloud alone. They need dedicated AI infrastructure, either on-site data centers or partnerships with specialized providers to handle the massive compute demands of AI models. NVIDIA's AI factories are a prime example where data centers are repurposed for AI training and inference, processing terabytes of manufacturing data in real time. Without this, latency issues and data security risks could cripple operations. Now, why do all manufacturers need to go AI-based with their own data centers or partnerships? The benefits are massive, but so are the requirements. First, efficiency gains. AI-powered data centers can cut energy use through optimized cooling and power management while enabling 24/7 operations without human fatigue. Partnerships with utilities or renewable developers can ensure sustainable power, like clean transition tariffs that add new green energy to the grid. This not only lowers costs, but also meets growing sustainability demands. For instance, data centers supported by AI can reduce waste in manufacturing by 20% through predictive analytics on rejected components. Second, scalability. With AI, factories become flexible, adapting to demand changes via real-time optimization. But this needs robust compute, hence data centers. Mid-sized manufacturers might partner with hyperscalers like Microsoft or Google for hybrid setups, combining on-site edge computing with cloud resources. These partnerships create ecosystems, equipment makers, logistics firms, and AI providers sharing data securely to optimize the entire value chain. Snowflake's AI Data Cloud is one such platform, converging IT and operational technology data for faster AI deployment. Third, competitive edge. Early adopters gain 30 to 50% efficiency in processes, pressuring others to follow. AI manufacturing adoption even creates spillover benefits for suppliers, improving their efficiency by 40% through better forecasting without them needing AI themselves. However, challenges exist. Building or partnering for data centers requires upfront investment, but ROI comes quick through reduced downtime and higher yields. Integration with existing PLCs and SCADA needs compatible APIs, and workforce upskilling is crucial to shift from manual tasks to AI oversight. To illustrate, consider this comparison table. Traditional factories face data silos and manual optimization, leading to higher costs and downtime, while AI-converted facilities with data centers enable real-time data aggregation and AI-driven decisions, cutting expenses by 30% and boosting yield. For labor, shortages limit growth, but AI optimization fills gaps with predictive maintenance, creating hybrid teams and new high-skill jobs. In flexibility, rigid systems resist changes versus AI's adaptive learning that handles varied tasks without redesigns. Scalability is workforce-bound, but data center partnerships allow rapid AI expansion across facilities. Risks include integration hurdles versus benefits like enhanced security and sustainability through efficient power use. In short, manufacturers must embrace AI with dedicated data infrastructure, own centers for control, or partnerships for scale to thrive. This isn't optional, it's the future of manufacturing. Subscribe for more on AI transformations in automation.